Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. On May 25th of 2019, John Kelly and his wife had a disagreement and were communicating via sign language on the side of a road. Someone who saw John and his wife signing to each other mistook their communication and called 911 to report a possible physical disturbance. Soon after, 3 officers of the San Marcos Police Department approached John from the sides and behind, yelling for him to stop, before 2 officers tase him in front of his wife and several of their children. With his back to the officers and unable to hear the commands, John is kicked twice in the side by a 3rd officer.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Do it now! Okay. Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back, sir. Alright, grab his hands. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Roll over. Grab his hand. Just get on your stomach. Around. Just have him stand up. I think he's cooperative. Let me see your hands. Hands. Let me see your hands. I think he's gonna cooperate. Let's just get him up. Come here. Hey. He's not being compliant. Look at me. Hey. Look at me. Can you sit?
John attempts to tell the officers that he is deaf, and eventually one figures it out and hands him a notepad and a pen.
Look at him! Look at him! Hey! Hold it. Give me your name.
John was never handcuffed and was not charged. After the officers confirmed that no physical assault took place, he was released from the scene after being treated by paramedics, after which he would later go to the hospital for treatment of injuries resulting from the incident. The 3 officers involved wrote in their incident narratives that Kelly had tucked his hands under his torso, but the footage shows John with his hands up by his head both times that he is on his stomach, which appears as though he is bracing himself for another kick to his ribs. John says he was trying to gesture to the police and show them with his hands that he wanted to write, to communicate. A federal lawsuit filed in May of 2021 accuses the city of San Marcos and the 3 officers of violating Kelly's civil rights in the Americans with Disabilities Act. The suit claims that, quote, no attempt was made by police to communicate with John in a manner in which he could understand, despite him signing that he was deaf. No extra steps or precautions were taken by SMPD before they deployed a taser and kicked John. This case is scheduled to go to trial in September of 2023. All 3 officers remain employed by SMPD and have all completed a 4-hour course on interacting with drivers who are deaf or hard of hearing. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Was this force necessary to take John to the ground? Should tasers be an acceptable use of force for someone who is simply walking away, especially when there is no evidence of a crime other than a phone call? Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the Lackluster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.